Hey everyone, CHADOVISION here, Kiptron right here. We just received our 2018 Spring Live the Adventure box from Explorer magazine. We can't wait to see what's inside. We've never even opened it. We wanted to make sure that we videotaped it this time because the last few times it's been really cool. This was a previous piece of equipment from one of our, I think the fall 2017 box. I thought it'd be fitting to use it to open this one.
Oh, the capsule.
No. This is a great little tool for opening your Explorer Adventure box every 3 months. If you don't use it for anything else, do it for that. Oh, what do you think's in here? Oh my gosh, our heads just exploded. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, there's some bags of stuff. Okay, what do we got here? Purika powder, vegan protein. Wow, this is great stuff for when you're out in the bush and you're camping and you need a little boost. Individual servings. We get 2 of these. One's a chocolate, one's vanilla. You're a chocolate, aren't you?
I'm a vanilla.
You're a vanilla? So we're going to have to rock, paper, scissors over these. Perfect. Okay. Purika. Alright. Oh! Look at this. Purika granola bars. There's lots of cool stuff.
Granola bar with corba seeds.
Yeah. Some of that really great ingredients that you can't pronounce that you know is very healthy for you. Purola instead of Purika. Anyway, that's all from the same company. They make, looks like they make some really awesome healthy stuff, and you can feel the fresh, it's soft, it's a soft chewable granola bar. Alright. There's so much stuff in here, I'm just freaking out right now. What is this? Oh, I don't even want to touch that. What is this thing? This is something in a bag. Oh my goodness, I have no idea what it is. Let's open it. What do you think it is?
Like a yoga mat.
Yeah, it's something. It's some sort of mat. Let's see.
Oh, it's a sleeping mat.
It's a pillow. It's a self-inflating pillow. That's what this
Whoa.
is. This is so sweet. You just blow, it's just one of these things. You just go like this. There you have it. A self-inflating pillow that came in a really small little sleeve. That is sweet, because you know what's the worst thing about winter camping on the ground is the fact, even hammock camping, there's nowhere to put your head. This is sweet. Okay, that's item 1. Oh wait. Oh, I know what that is. What did I just say? This is great for hammock camping. What do you think this might be? You think it's a hammock?
Yeah, I definitely think it's a hammock.
I think it's a hammock. And it's in my favorite color too. Green. Let's see. We got straps. What do you think goes with straps?
Life jacket.
This is definitely a hammock. Look at it. Looks the size of a 2-person hammock. All fits inside this little pouch. Look at this. Mind blown. And look, it's got carabiners on the end, so you can hook it onto your straps when you hook it around the tree. Look at this. Hammock. One of my favorite things in the summer is hanging out in the hammock in the woods, reading a nice book. Sweet. That goes perfectly with the blow-up pillow. Alright, what's next? What's this? What do you think it is?
A silver tin.
A silver tin. Bum, bum, bum.
A candle. Da, da, da.
Oh, it's a candle. It is. It's a survival candle. You just throw this in your backpack, and no matter what, when you have your lighter or your fire starter, you start that candle and you got instant heat.
3 wicks.
I wouldn't put this under your hammock or you'll have a hot seat, but that's great.
3 wick candle.
What's this? Oh, this looks like a quick dry towelette. So if you're really a minimalist and want to go for a swim, this will cover you just perfectly. See? So you can go for a swim and dry yourself off with this. That's what I believe this is. Yep. It is a quick dry towel. What is that? That looks like a neck knife. Survival knife. Wait, don't. You're a youth. This looks like I don't even understand this thing. I'm going to have to read up on the instructions, but look at this knife. It's heavy duty. Does it even come out? Oh yeah.
Survival knife.
Look at, we got a very good knife. It clips on your belt somehow.
I can put it on my survivor belt.
Or I can put it on my survival belt.
You have enough tools.
That is a sweet, very heavy one-piece steel survival knife in a nice little case. Some people wear them around their necks. This one has a belt hook. I don't know how to use this yet, but what an amazing little knife. Maybe next box, I'll open the box with this. What's this?
Oh,
Ooh.
I think it's...
Survival grenade.
Whoa.
Open it up. Just don't pull the pin. Okay, so you get carabiner and a paracord system. So you hook this on the side of your backpack or on your straps beside your hammock. What's inside of it?
There is a carabiner.
Yep.
I don't know.
Okay, let me see. There is, it looks like a solar blanket, like a emergency blanket. There's a little knife in here. I don't have my glasses on. Next time I'll wear my glasses for your video. There's a fire steel in here. There's a whole bunch of paracord. Looks like fishing weights and spinner. There's a survival saw. We got a survival saw back in the fall. So there's another one hidden in here. And looks like there might be some hooks and some wire. So there is some pretty sweet stuff in this little grenade. We have the patented Explorer magazine sticker that goes on all your gear. Yeah. We get the magazine, which is great. And then all the challenges and explanation of all the cool gear we can get. Oh yeah. This is great. Yep, self-inflating pillow, camp hammock, survival knife, dry me, towel, survival candle, survival grenade, products, and a magazine. What a great thing. And then all the challenges, which are so much fun.
Ooh.
All right. Thanks, Explorer Magazine and Live the Adventure. I can't wait to use all this stuff. I'll probably sleep in the hammock this weekend while I'm ice fishing up in Lake Nipissing. Anyway, till next time, we'll see you later.
CHADOVISION and Kiptron.
Out.
Update on tools.
We're going to just give you an update now that we've had a few seconds to figure out some of this stuff. Now we're going to tell you how to use it.
So for this knife, you flip, you see this tiny switch thingy?
There's a little, I'll give it right back to you. There's a little horseshoe shaped thing. And it just slides up very easily. Took me about 10 minutes to figure this out. This slides up very easily. Then you just pinch the sides and it opens. And you can adjust based on your belt size. You can adjust these little slots to go on exactly the size of belt that you have. And then it just clicks and then you lock it into place and that ain't opening no matter what. This is a sweet knife. It's got some weight to it. You're going to be able to do a lot of whittling and stick sharpening and rope cutting with this little bad boy. Oh yeah, This little towel isn't really for cleaning your body, although you can. But it's more of a sack. You clean your dishes, wash your dishes, and then you can hang it in a tree or on a wire with your little pot and dishes in here, and it helps dry. So that's some of the updates that we have, because we were so excited we didn't know how to use some of this stuff. So we took a minute, figured it out. Anyway, thanks very much. Till next time. CHADOVISION.